Hi, I'm Briana Williams, and I am from Prince George, Virginia, and I'm the founder and CEO of LipLoveLine. And since I was a young girl, one of the few things that I really wanted to do was to create my own beauty brand. When I was young, I faced a lot of different health issues and low self-esteem. One of the few things that made me feel beautiful was my lip gloss. I remember the first time my mom bought me my very first lip gloss set and how much personality and confidence it gave me to really show up into different places and spaces. And it was just something that I wanted to bring to others. I think I first heard about the SBDC at the end of 2020. That was kind of at the beginning of my journey with my startup. And so being able to connect with an organization at that time to help me figure out what resources I needed was crucial. So I worked with ICAP when I was in the Lighthouse Labs program, and it's an accelerator program for startups. And so my mentor in that program was really great at checking in weekly with me, talking about things that were going on in my company, challenges that I was facing, understanding what I was like as a business and where I was and what level I was at. And so kind of helping me to determine how I could grow and get to that next phase. The SBDC has been incredible in so many ways because as a new startup, there's so many things that I don't know. There's a lot of people that I want to get connected to learn about different things about business operations, about raising and fundraising in general, and the everyday operations that I don't tend to know how to do because this is my first business. When I first signed on to work with like a consultant or a mentor with SBDC, that person really helped me to look at my business plan, understand some of the goals that I had, understand kind of the different areas that I should focus on at that time, and connect me to a few folks that had expertise in that area. So that was really helpful.
We first met Briana in December of 2020. It was good to have her as somebody who can kind of see what we can do. And for her passion and everything that she had going on in business, it just seemed like a match made. And it's been great to see how she's grown so far in her business journey. And we just want to be, again, another resource for her as she continues to climb.
Rodney has been really great. He's really, really great at checking in and kind of asking the questions of like, what do you need right now? And how are things going? And so me being able to take a pause and think about, oh, I actually need to focus on this a little bit more, and then ask him if he knows anybody that can help me in those areas has been really helpful.
So our client partnership with LipLoveLine has continued to grow. And it started from an introductory phase of business plan review, things like that. And now it's just grown into a relational partnership where, hey, do you need something today? Is there somebody that we can connect you to? And just having that mentorship role and just showing people that you're available for them.
Rodney had recently connected me to someone that was able to help me in financial advisement. So helping with QuickBooks and kind of getting those things organized in the background is really, really important as a startup. So being able to be connected to opportunities with pro bono services at this stage is really priceless. So the SBDC has so many different programs and just opportunities to learn in different areas of business. I would definitely recommend working with the SBDC to anyone that I know that has a business or thinking of having a business, anyone who's had a business for a couple of years or for longer than that, because of the resources and the connections and honestly, the community that's there to really help you to grow and to learn and to build your business into something that you probably never thought it could be. And so I would say, take that chance and reach out to them like I did. You'll definitely get an answer from them. You'll definitely get a great community to join, and you'll definitely be able to grow.